spending all that money on your costume and everything else that you have to deal with when it comes to Halloween's and holidays and Halloween and all the decorating that you have got going on, we've got some tips for having a spooktacular Halloween party.
Yes, indeed. Bahia from On the Purple Couch is here with some do-it-yourself ideas, which we always love. Welcome back. Good to see you.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be back with the Fox5 family. The first thing we're going to do is Halloween. I didn't bring any candy because we all know what to do with that.
Right.
But Halloween is for adults and for kids.
Yes, it is.
Right?
Yes.
So in my neighborhood, we have a blowout party that we all look forward to every year. I have some beautiful Caspari plates that you can use to set up a nice table set for yourself. You can do a buffet. Adults can come in with costumes or whatnot. But has anybody seen this spider web? I can never get it right. It's all over the place. I got some in Michael's. It takes a fine touch. Really anyway, I have my candelabra. Notice I forgot one of the candles. I'm not worried about it. I have black and orange and a little white.
Well, it goes with everything.
Yeah.
Exactly. So you don't have to go too much. I also had these really funny cylinder things, and one of them has like the gel beads. I don't know if people have ever seen them, and this glows in the dark, Corey.
Oh, that's great.
It does. So you're setting up your table, you're mix matching your fun plates and whatnot, and then you have the adult stuff going on. You've decorated your table. I have a little bit of leaves. You can do natural leaves.
These are fun.
And they're white. These are really interesting, or transparent, I should say.
Yeah.
Where do you get these?
I got these at Michael's. I got a lot of stuff at Michael's, but a lot of stuff at your craft store.
Okay.
Now, children, what are you going to do with the kids? We always
Put them
like
to bed.
Before you put them to bed, you're doing some crafts with them and things to get the family going together.
Oh, that's great.
So I have a paper pumpkin that I picked up, and I had these googly eyes. I just glued this on. I did this one. Yeah, thank you. I did this one already.
This is especially great for young kids who cannot do the pumpkin carving yet.
Yes.
That's right. And I'm not hot on the pumpkin. That's my glue gun, and that's my one eyeball. If you notice the seam, there's that top.
Because there's paint there.
There is, and we're going to use that in a second. There's another one. That's so nice and easy and quick. And this guy is inside or outside. Fun for you to do with the
Great.
Okay, and now you guys know I like to make you guys work. This is a little doodad I picked up. Everything is like 70% off at Michael's. I don't know what's going on, but you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to have you.
It pays to be a procrastinator.
Is there a light in there?
There is a light in there,
Right,
but you're going to have a little bit of paint, and you can decide to paint a little bit of that. It's not going to get on you too much.
Okay, give me yours.
I'm going to give you yours.
Thank you.
And you're going to paint that.
And
these are activities you're going to do with your family. So you've done something for the adults, and now you have the kids going. I did black and orange. That's real simple. You're not thinking too much. It's not complicated.
Yeah.
I like this.
And then you can put a little candle in this, I'm assuming.
It has a little light thing on there. Now, this is for some of us that are into a little bit of glitz. One of my cousins said, she said, my cousin Tiana, she goes, I never can get my costume ready for Halloween. I never am ready. So I picked these up, these little plastic stickies.
Rhinestones.
And rhinestones, and guess what I'm doing?
Oh, that's great.
I'm putting them on my face. A little bit of funkiness.
Oh, that's good.
For those of us that need a little bit.
Don't
you're
fake
ready to
the
go
funk.
out. Don't fake the funk, but you can try it. And if you notice, I have them on my face. I'm going to be ready for Eddie and all the other kids. I don't have the whole get up, but I have a little pizzazz.
That's great.
Yeah.
I love that.
The last thing I'm going to do are wreaths. Wreaths we like to use. Every time you guys know I come, I'm doing a wreath. I'm going to use this wreath over the holidays. So, but it's black, right? You're like, but here, what are you going to do? I'm going to do a black wreath.
Okay.
Not too complicated. I got this gourd. I'm sticking it in. A little bit of orange, a little bit of white, a little bit of pizzazz.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can see this at home. This is so quick.
Always great stuff.
Yeah.
Bahia on the Purple Couch, onthepurplecouch.com.
That's right. And we have a big event coming up next Saturday at Artists and Makers. Hope everybody comes out Saturday and Sunday, 12 to 5.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you very much. We love all of this stuff.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
We're going to continue our crafts. And then also coming up, we'll take a look at this morning's top stories. Don't go anywhere.